Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to make Holi special North Indian delicacy Dahi Vada or Dahi Bhalla. I already have Dahi Vada recipe in my channel. I will add the link in the description box. You can check that recipe. But today I am making it little different, easy to make and very tasty. Please watch this video till the end. I am showing the entire process step by step. If you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I post my recipes Tuesday and Friday every week. Please press the bell icon also so that you get all the notifications. Here I have taken 1 cup urad dal. This is urad dal and half cup moong dal. This is moong dal. I have soaked them overnight separately. If you don't have enough time, soak them at least 2 hours. Or if you want to soak them for 1 hour, then you have to soak them in hot water. Now I will grind them to make a fine paste. If you need to add water to grind it, then add very little, not too much, and grind them separately. I am going to grind the urad dal first. I am taking very little water, about 1 tablespoon. Okay, let me grind it. Our urad dal paste is ready. Now we grind the moong dal. When you will take the dal in the blending jar, do not take with water. If you need water, then add very little water later. I am adding only 1 tablespoon water. Green moong dal paste also ready. We don't need to add baking soda, just beat it very well in the one direction only. You can use your hand if you want to. As you can see, the consistency is perfect. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon grated ginger and 2 chopped green chilies. Salt according to taste, but I am adding 1.5 teaspoon salt and very little black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon only. Mix it properly. Batter is ready. Let's heat up the oil. Keep the flame on low to medium. Here I have taken 1 cup of oil. Let me check the oil if it is hot. Oil is hot enough. Now we can fry the vada. Apply little bit of oil on your palm. Drop it carefully. Size is totally up to you. You can make small or medium size, however you like. Now turn the other side. Stir it occasionally till it turns golden and crisp. Make sure it is on low to medium. One batch is done. Let me fry the remaining vada. Our fried vada is ready. Let me show you how crunchy it is. Can you hear the sound? Now we will soak the vada into lukewarm water. This is lukewarm water. Put the vada into the water. Soak them for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let me show you what we need for garnishing. Cover it. We need tamarind chutney, sweet chutney or imlika chutney, coriander chutney or hari chutney. I will give you the chutneys recipes in the description box. You can check that recipe. Red chili powder or lal mirch powder, roasted cumin powder or bhuna hua jeera powder, chaat masala and shell. I am adding 1 teaspoon dahi vada raita masala in the yogurt. I am using the ready-made dahi vada raita masala and 1 teaspoon sugar or chini. Beat it very well. You can get raita masala, chaat masala and sev from Indian grocery store. If you will see the yogurt is little thick, you can add very little water. I am adding half tablespoon water. Mix it well. The quantity of yogurt depends on how many vadas you are making. Yogurt is ready. It's been 30 minutes. Squeeze the vada one by one and put them in the serving plate. Squeeze it gently. Now we will garnish the vada. This is the final step. Add yogurt. Sprinkle little bit black salt, roasted cumin powder, tamarind chutney, coriander chutney, red chili powder, chaat masala and sev. Holi special delicious dahi vada is ready. Let me show you how soft it is. As you can see, this is very soft. Happy Holi to all of you. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like this recipe. See you next time. Take care. Bye.